Yeah, hi. We are watching Mediterranean Sea, and I don't know how many days now are going on with this heavy weather we have. And if you think about storm systems, they are being these kind of electrical systems. You'd somehow expect that there would be also counter rotating in a way. And I would say here we have proof because we can see filaments trying to move in the opposite direction. They are somewhat trying to escape. Yeah, I don't know. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it. And actually, here is another region where you can see it goes somehow in the other way. In a way, counter rotating. Let's switch over to weather radar. I wanted to point something out, which is that black area here, which got massively hit by lightning. Again, I don't know how many days, but this is now a week or something. I wanted to show you something else too. I was actually searching for some magnetic maps and stuff, but stumbled across this one. Marsili Seamount volcano, which is where the lightning is. It's a large submarine active volcano, they say. A recent study has shown that submarine explosive eruptions occurred at Marsili in historical times. The volcano has the potential and is likely to erupt again in the future. The main hazard from the volcano is tsunami generation if a larger collapse of the unstable volcanic edifice occurs during or after an eruption. Approximately 5,000 years ago. So, no event. We have a whole lot of lightning there, talking about tsunamis, and there are more volcanoes in the same region which are all connected together. I just wanted to point that out next time when watching Windy. Or actually, is that the same? No, that's some article. Uh, yeah, here you can see it. Marsili. Ta-da! And the thing is, how do we get back? We get already back. Two factors may have contributed to creating low density, low magnetization masses of Marsili. Fragmentation of the basaltic lava upon eruption on the seafloor. Post-eruption hydrothermal alternation of the basalt. Or a lightning strike. Huge one. So that's interesting if you watch it that dotted line is the observed and the calculated line is that one. So they don't match at all. Here they match. And here again, calculated, observed. So they can't figure out why it looks like it looks. There seems to be a hole here on the right side, where it's actually a mountain. And on the other side, you can see the peaks. So this could really be this kind of electrical discharge event remnant in the Tyrrhenian Sea, which has still connections really deep down mantle, which could react to whatever lightning is coming. I'll leave it here. I just wanted to point that out, that we have to keep a close eye on the Tyrrhenian Sea and the lightning strikes and see what's going on. Is there any funny things with the volcanoes there underwater, or those which already rose above the water? Campi Flegrei, Vesuvius, Etna, Vulcano, and maybe some other thermal spring things which there are around Middle Europe. So somehow it seems things are really cranking up. Just the fact that this thing is here now since many days, locked in place. I somehow imagine this. There is something going on which, like, I try to draw now 3D on a 2D surface. This goes up the energy which is under here. It makes a connection to the layers above in the atmosphere. It will reach other layers of the atmosphere. And if there is radiation coming in, or solar flare energy, or whatever stuff from outside, it will find a way back down to Earth. And if there is enough energy stored in the system underground, it will rise back up again. Maybe in a different form than lightning. This is what I think is happening. So let's see and hope that I am wrong. Thanks. Bye.